Hey, boys and girls, it's Miss Florence again. Not only did I want to say our letter names with each other, but I want us to say our letter sounds together. So say these letter sounds with Miss Barnes. M, D, G, T, N, O, X, Z. U has three sounds, so we're going to say U, oo. Let's do it together. U, oo. O has two sounds. O. Let's do it together. O. B. K. S. V. I has two sounds. I. Qu. E has two sounds. E. A has two sounds. A. J. Y. K. If you want to say your letter sounds again, you can rewind the video and say them with Miss Barnes.